Here is how I sleep and refresh my curls in just 3 simple steps. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. I'm Heather Wolf, and today I'm going to be showing you how I sleep and refresh my curls. So how you sleep and refresh your curls can definitely affect how long they last. This routine can help my curls last up to a week depending on what I'm doing and how well I look after them. Okay, so let's get into the video. Hey guys, so it is now the night before and I'm just going to show you how I sleep and preserve my curls for the morning. So first and most important tip is to either sleep in a silk or satin headscarf or silk or satin bonnet. This has just helped me preserve my curls so much, just because it's silky, it reduces frizz and friction, which then also decreases breakage and split ends, etc. So I think I got this headscarf from eBay. Probably not the most sustainable one. I think maybe getting it from Etsy could be a more sustainable option because it's just supporting a small business, etc. Okay, so to start, you want to put your hair in a pineapple with a scrunchie. I do usually prefer the big fluffy ones, the bigger ones, but the only one that I had has snapped, so we're going to do with this one for now. To start, flip your hair upside down and you want to carefully gather your hair with your hand, smoothing it over the top. You don't want to rake your fingers through because this is going to disrupt the curl pattern and cause frizz. Then I just tie my hair around once just to keep it up on top of my head, but it doesn't tie it too tight. Next, you want to get your headscarf or bonnet. If you have a bonnet, you can just carefully tuck your hair in, but I'm going to show you how I tie my scarf. So you want to fold 2 opposite corners so it creates a triangle. Then place this over the back of the head and bring the ends round to tie in a single knot at the front. Because the ends are still long, I like to bring these round to the back and tie them in a double knot there. I usually leave mine looking like this because I find this is how it stays on best overnight, but you can just go ahead and tuck this flappy front section under the knot to create something which looks a bit better. Hey guys, so it is now the morning and it's actually managed to stay on all night. I haven't took it off yet, so I could show you guys what it looks like when I first take it off. So let's do that. So as you can see, it looks a bit crazy, but I'm just gonna let it settle for a few minutes because I feel no matter what, it's always just gonna look a bit crazy when you first take it out. Okay, so it's been a few moments now and it's gone down a bit, but I'm just gonna throw my head forward and shake it out a bit. Okay, so we're still looking a bit crazy, not as wild now though. These front bits are like going everywhere. Look at that. Okay, so we have some fluff on top and I get like really bad. This part just goes straight underneath, so I kind of have to re-wet this loads. Okay, so now that I've shaken my hair out and let it settle just for a few moments, I'm going to take a spray bottle with water. You can get these from supermarkets, drugstores, or even use old product spray bottles just to be more sustainable. So how much water I use really just depends on how much my hair needs refreshing. So usually the longer my hair has been without washing, the more water I'll need. But I'm just going to spray the parts of my hair that have lost the curl pattern a bit or a bit frizzy, and then I'm just going to scrunch this up, and this is just going to re-wake the products that are already in there. Okay, so now that I've done that, I'll either go in with the Frizz-Ease Touch-Up Cream or the Frizz-Ease Dream Curls Daily Styling Spray. So today I am going to use the styling spray. This is the one I use the most, and I think because my hair's not too bad today, I won't need loads. But again, it is more just the longer it's been, the more I just kind of judge it for how much I need. So where I've sprayed with water, I'm just going to go in there and spray this knot too much though, because I feel like it does kind of lather up and weigh your hair down, so you just want a little bit. So any curls that do need a bit more loving and care, I will spray these more and just brush it through and then just totally refresh them. But I'm thinking today she's not too bad. You can either now air dry it, which I prefer to do, or you can diffuse it. So I'm just gonna go air dry it and I'll come back and show you guys the results. Okay, so I am back and my hair is dry and I'm pretty happy with how they've turned out. There is a bit of fuzz on top, but I just think that is inevitable with curly hair, and that fuzz will probably get more as the days go on, but you've definitely just got to learn to embrace it. So yeah, that is how I sleeve and preserve my curls. I hope that it has helped you guys. If you do have any questions or any tips of your own, please comment them down below or message me on Instagram at It's Heather Wolf. If this has been helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, because I am going to be bringing out a lot more curly hair content over the next few weeks. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.